In the next 10 minutes, we'll traverse 13.8 billion years of cosmic history, unraveling the captivating story we are all a part of. From the moment of creation when the universe exploded into existence to the awe-inspiring emergence of stars, galaxies, and life on our precious Earth. We'll leap through time, witnessing the rise and fall of magnificent civilizations and the trailblazing innovations that have defined our world today. This isn't just a tale of distant galaxies, it's the story of us, where we came from, and what we can become. Whether you're a stargazer, a history enthusiast, or simply curious about your place in the cosmos, join me on this breathtaking expedition. In the vast cosmic tapestry, a singular moment ignites the creation of everything we know, the Big Bang. Roughly 13.8 billion years ago, the universe was born in an explosive, unfathomable explosion that marked the beginning of time itself. In an instant, the universe expanded from an infinitesimally small point into an expanding cosmos, a maelstrom of energy, heat, and matter. As the universe cooled, protons and neutrons began to form within the first second, eventually giving rise to the first hydrogen and helium atoms. It was a realm of darkness, a void, but not for long. Within a few 100 million years, these simple atoms started to coalesce and ignite, giving birth to the very first stars. From there, gravity took hold, pulling these first stars together into the first galaxies, the building blocks of the cosmos as we know it. This was the universe's infancy, a chaotic yet methodical dance of physics and chemistry, setting the stage for everything from planets to people. And then, around 4.6 billion years ago, a momentous event occurred that would set the stage for life as we know it, the birth of our solar system. Within a vast, swirling cloud of dust and gas known as a solar nebula, gravitational forces began to coalesce matter into a dense core. At the heart of this core, the sun ignited, its nuclear fusion sending waves of energy radiating outward. As the surrounding cloud cooled, it fragmented into rings, each condensing into the familiar planets we recognize today, including our very own Earth. But Earth's creation was no ordinary event. Nestled at just the proper distance from the sun, within a region known as the Goldilocks Zone, our planet found itself in the perfect conditions to harbor liquid water, a critical ingredient for life. Over time, Earth's unique atmosphere, magnetic field, and geological processes combined to create an intricate and delicate balance that allowed life to emerge and thrive. In the nascent days of our planet, around 4.5 billion years ago, Earth was a volatile and chaotic place. Fiery volcanoes erupted across the surface, oceans were constantly tumultuous, and the first primordial atmospheres were taking shape. Amidst this tempestuous environment, a miracle was unfolding in the hidden depths of the oceans. Life was beginning to emerge. Simple molecules began to form complex structures, leading to the birth of single-celled organisms known as prokaryotes. As time marched on, these humble beginnings evolved into microbes, setting the stage for one of the most extraordinary transformations in the history of life. The emergence of complex multicellular organisms. The transition from simple cells to intricate life forms like plants, animals, and fungi was a process of profound innovation and adaptation. Oxygen began to fill the atmosphere, leading to new environmental conditions that fostered the development of more complex life forms. Then came the time when giants roamed the Earth, a period spanning over 180 million years known as the Mesozoic era. This awe-inspiring age was dominated by dinosaurs, those magnificent creatures of varying shapes and sizes. From the lumbering, long-necked sauropods to the fierce and cunning raptors, the age of dinosaurs was a time of unparalleled biological diversity and evolutionary experimentation. But this era was not only about the dominance of the dinosaurs. Other fascinating prehistoric creatures flourished alongside them, such as the pterosaurs in the sky and the ichthyosaurs in the sea. However, the Mesozoic era was also marked by profound upheavals. Cataclysmic events like volcanic eruptions and asteroid impacts led to several mass extinctions, the most famous of which wiped out the non-avian dinosaurs around 66 million years ago. These extinction events, although tragic in their immediate impact, became crucibles for evolution. In the wake of the dinosaurs' extinction, a new chapter in Earth's history began to unfold, one that saw the mammals become the center of the stage. In this post-dinosaur world, mammals diversified and evolved into myriad forms, filling ecological niches left vacant. They ranged from tiny shrew-like creatures to the colossal megatherium, a ground sloth that stood as tall as an elephant. The story of mammals is not just a tale of adaptation and survival, it's a journey towards complexity and intelligence. Among these creatures arose the primates, our own distant relatives, with their larger brains and intricate social structures. Fast forward millions of years, and we reach a watershed moment in evolution, the emergence of Homo sapiens. These early humans, marked by their ability to create tools and harness fire, began a migration out of Africa that would eventually lead them to every corner of the globe. Humans didn't just adapt to their environments, they began to shape them. As our ancestors explored new territories, they connected intimately with the land. They learned to harness fire for warmth and cooking, utilized stone tools for various tasks, and crafted shelters using available materials. Social structures began to form as groups cooperated in hunting, gathering, and communal living. Cultural expressions flourished, evident in the cave paintings, musical instruments, and oral traditions that encapsulated their understanding of the world. Gradually, the nomadic lifestyle gave way to a desire for stability and control over food resources. A profound shift occurred around 10,000 years ago when humanity began to transition from hunter-gatherer lifestyles to settled farming communities. This Neolithic revolution laid the foundations for more complex societies, allowing people to produce surplus food and foster specialization. From the Fertile Crescent of Mesopotamia, where the wheel and cuneiform writing were developed, to the enigmatic pyramids of Egypt, the grand Indus Valley's planned cities, and the philosophies and inventions of ancient China, ancient civilizations began to flourish. These societies were not isolated occurrences, but intricate tapestries of culture, governance, and artistry, interconnected through trade and shared knowledge. Their legacies included monumental architectural feats, the creation of intricate legal codes, advances in mathematics and astronomy, and the development of complex religious and philosophical ideas. The pyramids, the Great Wall, the Code of Hammurabi, the Vedas, the Terracotta Army, and the Mayan calendar are glimpses of the ingenuity of a time when humanity consciously began to shape its destiny. With the fall of Rome in the 5th century, the stage was set for a period of profound transformation that would reshape the face of the world. As empires crumbled, new powers began to rise, each seeking to carve their mark on history. The spread of Christianity and Islam wove spiritual threads that connected diverse cultures and continents. In Europe, the dark veil of the Middle Ages was pierced by the brilliance of the Renaissance, a golden era of art and philosophy. Leonardo da Vinci, Michelangelo, and Copernicus emerged, igniting a fervor for knowledge and creativity. Exploration and colonialism began to stretch humanity's reach across uncharted seas, driven by curiosity and ambition. As figures like Columbus and Magellan ventured into the unknown. Empires rose and fell, ideologies clashed, and the foundations of the modern era were laid from the crucible of conflict and change. The Industrial Revolution marked a seismic shift in human history, an era of unprecedented growth and transformation that began in the late 18th century. Driven by technological advancements, steam power, and mechanization, traditional agrarian societies were reshaped into urban industrial centers. This new era sparked a revolution in transportation, communication, and manufacturing that reverberated across the globe. But these advancements did not come without cost, as 2 world wars shattered the illusion of unending progress and underscored the fragility of human civilization. These conflicts reshaped borders, birthed new ideologies, and changed the geopolitical landscape. In the aftermath, humanity's eyes turned skyward, and the space race heralded a new frontier of exploration and innovation. The moon landing, space probes, and telescopic advancements opened the cosmos to our collective imagination. Meanwhile, the digital age brought a technological revolution, connecting the world through the internet and creating a global community like never before. In the panorama of cosmic history, we stand at a unique crossroads, both a product of the universe's intricate tapestry and a force capable of shaping its future. The challenges we face today, such as climate change, technological advancements, and complex socio-political issues, reflect our profound interconnectedness with the universe and one another. Climate change reminds us of the delicate balance of our planet, urging us to tread with care and respect. Technology, both a marvel of human innovation and a question mark about our ethical boundaries, opens doors to possibilities unimagined by our ancestors. As we look to the future, the horizon is vast with potential. Yet amidst these grand prospects, we must remain grounded in the wisdom gleaned from our journey through time. The history of the entire universe is not just a chronicle of events. It's a symphony of relationships, causality, and serendipity. We are stardust and dreams, science and art, an ongoing story as vast as the universe. So let us embrace both our heritage and potential, always mindful of the cosmic dance that has brought us here and the endless possibilities that await.